Hello guys, so today we are going to talk about a new lead code problem 1941. So check if all characters have equal number of occurrences. So what is our goal? First of all, we need to optimize our algorithm in order to reach the maximum or the fastest time in getting this problem solved. So we need to beat the time complexity to approximately 0 millisecond if we can. So first of all, we are going to read the statement of this problem. So the statement is given a string s, we are going to return true if s is a good string or false otherwise. So we need to check if s is a good string. So what does good string mean to us? A string s is good if all the characters that appear in s have the same number of occurrences. So we need each letter in s to have the same number of repetition, let's say, same frequency. So in example 1, I have a two times. So all the other character in s should be repeated two times. So b two times, c two times, so true. Now in example 2, I have a three times. So all the character in s should be repeated three times in order to return true. But I have b, which is repeated two times. So this will be false. So I don't have the same number of occurrences of a and b in s. So this will lead us to get an output false. So the constraints are one, the range of s dot length is between 1 and 1000, and s consists of lowercase English letter character. So we don't care about the uppercase English letter. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to check if s dot length, if I have one car in s, if s equal a only, or s equal c, or s equal z, I need to check if s dot length equal 1, and this will give me always true. Okay, because I have one number, one letter, and this letter is repeated one time. Okay, so it will be true always. So now I'm going to define a new frequency array. So this frequency array will contain all the English lowercase character. So this will be of size of 26. Why 26? Because the English alphabet is 26. The length of English alphabet is 26. Okay, 26. So now I'm going to loop through my string, let's say, using this iteration s.toChar. Now I need to convert the s to toChar array. Now I need to update my frequency array using this method, this statement. So I'm going to take, in order to get the integer, so like s minus a plus plus. So this is, I have, if this is a, if this car is a, okay, you know that the English alphabet is a, b, c, d. So if this c is a minus a, it will be 0. Okay, so I'm going to update the first letter, which is a in my English alphabet. If this is b minus a will give me 1 in integer. Okay, and so on. So c, any car in s, and always I am just subtracting a to reach 0 to 25. Okay, because in ASC, as we have mentioned before, okay, here we have this table. So if I have a, it will be 97. So a minus a, it will be what? 0. If I have my c is b, so b minus a, it will be 1. It will be 98 minus 97, so it will be 1, and so on for any letter. So if I have z minus a, it will be 25, which is the final letter in my English alphabet, because from 0 to 25 I have 26 letters. Now what I'm going to do is I need to check now. So I need first of all to define a previous, let's say it will be related to s dot from frequency array. It will be the element of my frequency array of s dot car at 0 first of all. Yeah. I need to take minus a. So I need to take the frequency of my first character, okay, of s. Okay. Now I need to check for, okay, for int num, let's say, or in frequency, I need to check if num not equal 0. This means that I have a car in S. Otherwise, if num equals 0, like let's say here, if I have the letter D, so frequency of D will be 0, so I don't have D, so I don't need to compare D with anything, okay? And I have a previous equal of what? Of num. This will give true. And sorry, this is not equal to num. Okay, so if I have the previous, like the first occurrence frequency of the first letter, so A here will be, previous will be 2. So I need to compare 2 to any num, okay? If I have any frequency for any other letter, so let's say B, if I have num is equal to, now I need to compare, num is not equal 0, so I can compare it, so B exists in my S. And if I have the previous not equal to num, so the number of occurrence of A not equal to the number of occurrence of B, this will lead us to return false. Okay? Otherwise, if we finish the loop without getting any return, we are going to return true. Okay, so now I need to check if I have any. I have already seen this one. Okay. Okay, now we can submit and check our time complexity. Okay, so that's very good. We beat 100% of users with Java. So that's all, folks. Thank you. If in case you have any feedback, please don't hesitate to leave any comment. Thank you. Bye bye.